Hey guys, let's look at writing mixed numbers as improper fractions. And basically a mixed number means you mix an integer with a fraction. And they call it an improper fraction. Sometimes this is an improper fraction. Oh, I don't know, 37 over 5 or something like that. The reason they call those improper fractions is because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So usually it's the other way around. But let's look at a couple things. You're working at a pizza, okay? Pizzeria. There are 5 3/8 pizzas in the oven. Well, if you cut those into pieces, a pizza into 8 pieces, how many slices are you going to have? Well, think about it. And one pizza, if you cut it into 8s, like this, like that, there's 8, right? But you got 5 pizzas, all right? So it's going to be 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8, right? And then there's 3/8 more of a pizza. So there's going to be 3 more pieces in there. So what you do is that's going to be 8 times 5 plus 3 is 43, right? There's a way to do this. When you can convert this, what they want you to do is convert this into an improper fraction. What you do is you just take this denominator, multiply it by the integer, that's 40, 8 times 5, add the numerator, and you got it. That's 43. There you go. So if you guys are visual learners, I hope that helped. If you're nasal learners, just imagine yourself smelling the pizzas. Smelling the pizzas. You smell them? Okay, that'll help you. You're an audio learner? Listen to the pizza. Do you hear the pizza? I hear the pizza. You heard it? Yeah, okay, good. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I was in a pizza years ago, and a lady comes up to me and says, "You want a whole medium pizza, right?" I said, "Yeah." She says, "Do you want me to slice this thing into 4 pieces or 8 pieces?" I was like, better make it 4 pieces. I don't think I can eat 8 pieces. Okay. All right, let's try one. Write 2 3/4 as an improper fraction. Remember, the way to do this is you take the integer, multiply it by the denominator, and to get 8. Then you add this number, and that gives you 11. And if you visualize 2 3/4 pizzas, you can do that, right? That's going to be 11/4, right? Because this pizza there'll be 4 of them. This one, there'll be 4 of them. Don't cut a pizza that way if you work at a pizzeria. Here's another one. There'll be this many, basically, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It just proves we're right. That's all you need to do. Okay, let's try another one. Write this as an improper fraction. Well, 5 2/3. Well, that'll be, let's see, if you want to visualize it this way with the fraction a little smaller looking, you take 3 and times it by 5. That's 15 plus 2, 17. 17/3 or 17 divided by 3, of course, which is the same thing as 5 2/3. All right. You'll also, this is the most challenging kind we have in this problem set. Write this and this as improper fractions, then multiply them. So go ahead and pause it and write 1 2/3 and 2 2/5 as improper fractions, and go ahead and multiply them and then say what you get. Okay, pause it and do it. Okay, 1 2/3, you should have got 5/3. And you're multiplying that by 12/5, right? 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. You should see that you can knock off the 5 and the 5, and the 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. By the way, this is a reasonable answer. This number, 1 2/3, is about 2, right? If you kind of round it. About 2 times 2 2/5 is also about 2. The answer should be somewhere around 4, and it is 4. So if in the future you're doing this and you're kind of estimating quickly, you look at the answer. Let's pretend like on this one you got, I got the answer. It's 91 over 10. You should go, wait a minute. 91 over 10, that's like 9. More than 9. That can't be right. This is less than 2 times 2. I did something wrong. Go back and fix it. That'll give you a little clue. Okay, practice problems. Pause it and try A. All right, 14/5. Pause it and try B. 7/2. Pause it and try C. 7/4. Pause it and try D. 25/4. All right, pause it and try E. 11/6. Pause it and try F. 33 over 10. All right, pause it and try G. 7/3. Okay, pause it and try H. Oop, I gave it away too quickly. 25 over 2. Okay, pause it and try I. 19 over 6. Now pause it and try J. This is the doozy here. Okay, but estimate an answer first. All right. Give me a reasonable, what do you think it might be about? Then do your answer, then make sure it's reasonable. Okay, try it. Okay, what you should have come up with is the 3/2 times 10/3 If you just did it straight across, that would be 3 times 10, 30 divided by 6, which is 5. If you crossed out the 3's, you would get 10 divided by 2, which is also 5. That's all there is to it. Okay, do a good job with your warm-ups today, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.